Okay, let's see who are the leaders and who are the who are in the leaderboard by moving to the tute. And let's go back and see the leaderboard. Oh, am I in the leaderboard? Cannot be, because I have not done. Yeah. Anyway, let's see. Let's go back. I just want to go back. Start again, and let's complete it. This is basically old IDE, because I saw you the new IDE. New IDE is not having these features. Instead of that, new IDE is showing something this. The file menu, edit menu, sketch menu, tool menu is there, and verify is there, upload is there, but new and other buttons are not there. Text edit is there, and the module one is there here. This is called the library manager. These are sub like modules and all. Here there's another update also. I have not updated to that one. ඒකට මම අප්ඩේට් කරලත් නැහැ පුතේ මේ අලුත්ම එකක් නෙවෙයි. ඒකට මෙතන serial monitor එක තියෙනවා මෙතන. Here you can see the serial monitor and the serial plotter is also there. Serial monitor එකක් තියෙනවා, serial plotter එක. graph අඳින්න තමයි plotter එක තියෙන graph එකක් විදිහට පෙන්නන්නේ. serial monitor එකකින් තමයි print කරනවා පෙන්නන්නේ. එතකොට පල්ලෙන් තියෙනවා මෙතන මේ notification area එකක්. ඒ වගේම console එකක් තියෙනවා මෙතන. Here you can see the output window. So this is a serial monitor. You can interact with this console. And that is it. And you have some status bar in the bottom. Console connected node here. And here you can see sketchbook. And here you can see boards manager. And here you can see library manager. Here you can see debug window, search, and all these things are this side. This is what the new interface is. අලුත් interface එක. එතකොට පොතේ තියෙන හැටියට අපි දැනගන්න ඕන පරණ interface එක. පරණ interface එක තමයි. In the old interface, let me start again because my timing might be a common name. මට leaderboard යන්න ඕනේ. Sketch name is according to this here the sketch name that there is a tab එකක් මේක. Save, open, serial monitor, serial plotter, text console, message area, verify compile is here, new is here, upload is here, serial board port is there, code editor is there. Okay, that is what the tute says. Let's move to the next. In the leaderboard, I can see these names. Rehansa, Moad, Aish, Med, Moad, Tisa, Imaya. Okay, these are the students who have completed. Others have maybe not done that. Let's go back. Go to the next tute. Characteristics of Arduino. Is one model of a microcontroller that is at mega. Then as high level programming language is what? High level programming language. It is a high level programming language. Oh, the answer is not there. But anyway, let's keep it. Lakmali, what is the answer for this like this tute?
Arduino IDE, sir.
IDE is integrated development environment. It's not a language.
Yes, sir.
Then, but the question is wrong.
Yes.
Language එක ගැන අහලා language එක ගැන අහුවම IDE එකක් උත්තරේ විදිහට දෙනවා නම් ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. IDE එක කියන්නේ edit කරන edit එක. Quickly edit that question, repost that, like resend it. Maybe you can use a different email, resend the tute with the correct, because that is wrong. වැරදිව mark කරන්න ඕනේ.
Okay.
You know that, ne? IDE is integrated development environment. Programming language is something else.
Yes, sir.
You didn't check it? Check
I check it, sir. But the thing is, I cannot edit that one because incomplete of my the.
Yeah, I know that. You have to make another email and do that.
Okay, sir.
කරන්න බැරි වෙන්න හේතු 100ක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන් කරන්න පුළුවන් එක හොඳ හේතුවක් හොයාගන්න. Because we are teaching students. Cannot teach them wrong things. Okay, it is used for transfer the programming code PC to Arduino. Used to transfer the programming code from PC to Arduino. That is USB port. It is an electronic board that has integrated at Mega 328. That is UNO. The voltage that Arduino support. It can even be like 5 volt. It's high level programming language. Okay, that question is wrong. Only understand information based on zeros and ones. Computers and microcontrollers. Quantity of digital inputs 0 to 30 is 40. All are correct except this. I am compelled to select the answer. දැන් මට ටියුට් එක මේ වෙලාව වෙනස් කරන්න බැරි. ඉන්න බලහත්කාරයෙන් මට මාක් කරන්න වෙනවා. හැබැයි මේ උත්තරේ වැරදි පුතේ. හරි. high level programming language එකක් නෙවෙයි. Arduino IDE කියන්නේ high level programming language එකක් වෙන C++ language එක. අපි Arduino වල පාවිච්චි කරන language එක C++. Remember that. So the proper answer for this one is C++. හරි answer එක තමයි මේකට C++. C එකතු කිරීම එකතු කිරීම. C++ is a high level programming language which is used in Arduino. Arduino වල use වෙන high level language එක C++. හැබැයි Arduino IDE එක කියන්නේ ඒ C++ ලියන්න ගන්න ඒ C++ ලියන්න ගන්න software එක. හරි. මේක හරියට මේ වගේ ගෙදරයි ගෘහ මූලිකයයි වගේ. දැන් අපිට අපේ ගෙදර සමානට අපි තුමු තාත්තා ගෘහ මූලිකයා කියලා. ගෙදර ප්‍රධාන කෙනා. එතකොට අපිට කියන්න බෑනේ ගෙදර ප්‍රධාන කෙනා ගෙදර කියලා. හරි. ඒ වගේ දෙයක් තමයි. අපේ ගෙදර තමයි Arduino IDE එක. ගෘහ මූලිකයා තමයි C++. ඒ වගේ. C++ වලින් තමයි මේ වැඩේ වෙන්නේ. Arduino IDE එක කරන්නේ මේ C++ කියන කෙනා රඳවා තබා ගැනීම. C++ code ලියන්න උදව් කරනවා. Therefore the answer is wrong, but I'm compelled to select the answer. Therefore I'm selecting. When answer එකක් නැති නම් මම මේක ඇදලා දානවා මේක වැරදි. And I'm submitting the answer. Make a headed hurry, but you need like Lakmal will send you the corrected tube, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's see the leaderboard. On the third one in leaderboard, අයියෝ පුතේ මං කරගෙන වල කරලම නෑ මේ. මම පැය ගානක් කියලා මේ activity එක කරේ නේද? Rehansa has done that. Himaya has done that. Next is me. Harisa කරලා තියෙනවානේ. රසක උත්තර ප්‍රමාණය අඩුයි. මේ grade 9 වලටත් අපි tute එක අයින් කරමුද? මට පේන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ tute කරන්නේ නැහැ වගේ මට හිතෙනවා. Time will be wasted if you are doing this way, right? Correct කර යන වෙලාවත් මට ගැප් කරා දෙන්න. Okay, real world application of the microcontrollers and devices. And Arduino crossword. මේ දෙක ඉක්මනට කරන්න. I'll give you නැත්නම් මේක ඕගොල්ලෝ කරන්න නැතුව මම මේක කතා කරලා වැඩකුත් නෑ. I will give you 3 minutes, right? 3 minutes 4 minutes ම දෙන්න. 35 වෙනකම්. 8:35 වෙන 8:35 කියන්නේ මේකේ time එකකින් ඈ. It is not Sri Lankan time. I'm not in Sri Lanka. ලංකාවේ දැන් වෙලාවේ 8:15 වෙන්නද 8:16 වෙන්නද ඔයාට 8:20 වෙනකන් ටයිම් එක තියෙනවා ද 8:16 නේද වෙලා
Oh, sir.
8:20 වෙනකන් ටයිම් එක තියෙනවා complete it quickly this one and this one right crossword එකයි මේකයි දෙකම complete කරන්න ලක්මාලිත් complete කරලා එතකොට වැරදි තියෙනවා නම් අහුවෙනවා මම කියනකන් ඉන්න ඕනේ
Okay, sir.
Okay, they're asking whether they are using microcontrollers or not. Car is using a microcontroller. Bulb is not using normally. And robots are using the microcontrollers, no doubt about that. And bicycle, normally it's not using, but if it is a smart bicycle, yes, it uses. And then this is air conditioners, it uses microcontrollers. Okay, so after that you can submit it. This is easy question, right? Where the microcontrollers are used. Easy question, you can go to the leaderboard and finish it. Okay, you can now that most of the students have completed particular leaderboard. And don't put your name 2 times, right? Yeah, that is like then chance will not be given. Like so, that is basically taking some other's chance. So when you put your name, if you are in rank 1, that's okay. Don't put your name into rank 10 also, right? That's not necessary. Write in your name 1 time is enough. Okay, let's move to the next one. Activity. It's here. And see the activities, crossword puzzle. And in the crossword puzzle activity, basically you have to click on the puzzle number and it will tell you what to be typed there. Okay, let's move to the first one. It says brain of the Arduino. Yes. What is the brain of the Arduino? Yes, 80 mega, you know, right? That is a microcontroller. Basically, you have to type the name of that. Yeah. So let's go to the connection between the Arduino and PC. Yes, the connection between the Arduino and PC. What's the connection?
USB.
USB connection. Yeah. Basically, it's USB connection. Next, the places where you plug the sensors, either digital pins and analog pins. Here, this crossword puzzle, actually I don't like the structure because you have to write 2 words together. It's not single word. There is a problem in this. Where you can plug the battery, it is in the power socket, but you have to give the full length name. It's not really good. Therefore, it's insensitive. Therefore, I really don't like this problem, because when you submit the answer here, this one is okay. Maybe the program you used to write Arduino code is C++. So that is the only thing that is giving some relief, and other things other than that you can see. Oh, the program, sorry, C++. It's not the programming language, sorry, program is IDE, and that is the only thing that you can solve. And also this one you can solve. Oh, not this, the downwards. A button you can press to restart your Arduino body reset. Except that the other are like unguessable. So others are unguessable. That's the problem. Like you have to write everything. That's the problem. Okay, you have to write everything. And here, okay. Oh, what is happening? 80. You have to write the complete name. Right? What is the code at Mega? You can say microcontroller. No, it's not even. Let's see when you try here. Microcontroller. That is the part. Microcontroller is. It's only microcontroller. So. And here. USB. Connect. TION. Okay. Here. The place where you can plug the sensors. Sensors. DIGITANDANALOG. But I'm not sure whether like this way can we write the. No, that's not. It says analog connectors, but not only analog, only the digital connectors can also be used. That's why it's not perfectly correct one where you can plug the battery. That's correct. Personally, I don't like the structure of this, but here it is. You see the leaderboard. Yeah, let's see. These students have tried that anyway, that you have tried, but I don't like the question personally, because the organization of that is not really good. It's not practical. Akmal, is this edited one, or like is it down like another one taken from some other site, or edited one?
Another one.
Haven't you tried this before entering? You have to try this. All this you have to try. Still, like this tute making has not become so like unique and significant, because like you are not trying, I guess that's the problem. Okay, with that, we can quickly move to the last one. As I said, I'm going to walk we and show this very quickly. And after today, I'm not going to discuss about the Arduino part. Let's finish this very quickly, right? First one is like this. Since this is a revision, I'm doing it fast away, right? Make a revision. First one is PIR sensor, and I'm inserting that PIR sensor here and connecting it to here. Sensors digital pin වලත් ගහන්න පුළුවන් කියන දෙක උදාහරණ PIR sensor. You can connect this to plus pin 5.5 volt pin, and GND you can connect it to ground. Signal you can even connect it to digital. I'm connecting to number 3. That's okay. Then I'm using LED to detect whether it's sensed or not. Connecting LED to 12 and GND. Okay, here I'm telling my pins, the LED pin and output pin and input pins. Pin mode, LED pin is number 12 is output, and pin mode, my number 3 is input pin, which is sensor. Then here detecting if digital read from the input pin, which is number 3, is equal to high signal, if high signal coming from this, and you can say digital write, like LED pin can be made of like light enough and delay for certain milliseconds, and turn off it by digital writing the 12 pin low and keeping that for 100 milliseconds. And if not else, that is no motion detected, and we are going to turn off digital write 12 to low. and let's delay it for 100 milliseconds. The first one is done. This is the program for මේ program එක තියෙන motion detection එකට. මේ code click කරලා motion එකක් simulate කරපු හැටි, like click on this, simulate the motion. You can see the bulb is blinking. Otherwise, bulb is not blinking. So that is the motion sensing program. Yeah. So let's use the other sensor. I'm deleting this sensor, and LED I'm going to keep in same thing, same place, and using ultrasonic sensor, distance sensor, and I'm going to turn on the LED this time based on the distance. Connecting to number 5, connecting the VCC to number 5, connecting the GND to GND, and trigger to 3 equal to 2 maybe. You can use anything, but I'm just selecting trigger to 3 equal to 2. Then 3 is trigger. Trigger means output. And pin mode, like 3.2 means echo. Echo means the returning signal. It should be input. Here I'm detecting the signal, and let's say long duration. I'm going to measure the signal. Before that, I just want to send a signal. To send a signal, I'm using trigger pin. Digital right, the trigger pin is number 3. Yeah, 3. A low voltage, and keep it for delay. Delay it for maybe 1 millisecond. Delay, maybe like no need to delay. Or delay, let's say delay microseconds. Let's say 1. It doesn't matter. No need to delay even that. Digital write, then the 3 pin I'm going to write high pulse for delay microseconds, 10 microseconds, high pulse, and waiting 10 microseconds. And after that, I'm lowering this digital write, and I'm just 3, making it low. Okay, done. So then actually duration is where you get a pulse in from the input pin, which is pin number 2, and if there is a high pulse, you can detect that. That is the echo pin. And you know the speed of light, sorry, speed of sound, 340 meters per second. So it will be 340 00, that means 34,000 centimeters per second. So that is the speed. When you know the speed, you can calculate speed එක දන්නව නම් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් වේගය සමාන දුර බෙදීම කාලය එකෙන් ඔයාලට duration එක දන්නව නම් ඔයාලට distance එක centimeter වලින් calculate කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, int centimeter වලින් distance එක සමානයි අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් මෙතන එනවා 34000ක් centimeter. හැබැයි මේ microseconds වලින් එන හින්දා මේක අපි බෙදන්න ඕන 1 million වලින්. හරි, එතකොට microseconds වලින් එනවා අපිට microsecond එකකට centimeter කොච්චර යනවද කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ කොච්චර කාලයක් ගියාද කියන එකෙන් අපිට මේක වැඩි කරගත්තොත් we know the duration, then we can find this. හැබැයි මේ එන උත්තරේ අපිට දෙකෙන් බෙදා ගන්න සිද්ධ වෙනවා. හේතුව යන්නයි එන්නයි දෙකටම ගත වෙන කාලය මෙතන මනින හින්දා we need to divide this answer by 2 ultimately to find the centimeter duration, centimeter distance. So based on the centimeter distance, no need to use if else. We can directly use this, and let's delay for the centimeter distance. මේක මුකුත් කරන්න නැතුව මම delay වලින් centimeter වලින් දානවා. ඒතකොට ඉන්න දුර අනුව තමයි blink වෙන්නේ. හරිද? 12 අපි බලමු දැන් blink වෙන හැටි. ඔයාලට පේනවා මේක blink වෙනවා. ඔන්න වෙලාම තියෙනවා. In int centimeter. Okay, duration. So what's wrong with that? High centimeter No, centimeter, 80 centimeter. This is correct. Maybe let's wait 5 microseconds. The off time, I low. No, let's low and keep some microseconds also. Digital, right? Let's see. Oh, sorry, delay. Delay microseconds. Another 5 microseconds delay here. Sometimes without delays, this won't work sometimes. Trigger is 3, echo is 2. Trigger 3, echo 2. Duration pulsing too high. Okay, that is also correct. 12 output, 3 output, echo is 2 input, correct. In duration, let's see, yes. Maybe let's give the value after dividing. This will be 0.034 divided by 2 into this. I have given the divided answer. Yes, that's a point. It's not calculating that 1 million divided by 1 million. Okay, now you can see bulb is pulsing. It's pulsing in 400 centimeters. Make adu karam abhi. Let's reduce it to 100. Now you can it's pulsing fast. 200 medium, 400 more. This is 2 centimeters, all less pulsing. Okay, that you can try. This delay actually you can remove. After removing this delay also it will work. You can see. Okay, with that I will stop for today. Those who have joined for 10, 11, you can stay in the class. Others can leave. Good day.